Hello there. So you've installed Windows as a virtual machine and you want to explore group policy. You go to Start, you type gpedit.msc and you discover group policy isn't there. Unfortunately, group policy isn't available on home editions because it lacks domain connectivity. Fear not, however, there is a workaround by the way of an application called Policy Plus, which is a group policy editor. To install, simply visit this GitHub site. As always, the link will be in the description. To begin downloading, go to Releases and go to the July 2021 snapshot. Download policyplus.exe. Once it's downloaded, you can just simply open the file, no installation required. We've got the user access control, click on yes, and that should start to launch the application. You get a prompt to install ADMX, click yes, and then begin. ADMX simply allows you to view the full set of configurable policies. It's just a template. This might take a few moments. There we go. The files have been downloaded. Open them now. Click yes. Now you can access and configure group policy as you wish. That completes this video. Hope that was useful. Thank you and good day.